Alright guys, Wes here with Restore Your Jordans and More. I have a little bit of a treat today, for me I guess, not really for you, but for me. So everybody that saw my videos, I appreciate you checking them out. One of my friends saw one of my videos when I made my ice box, and he told me I didn't have enough wattage in there to probably make it work as much as I wanted to, which is, he's accurate. So my watts are only 36 watts, but they work, it just takes longer. You know, we're gonna go from there. So no big deal. So he said, I have a grow light. So he sent it to me. And so this is what we have today. I'm going to put a link in the description of what it is. I'm going to go over the wattage and everything. I don't know it all yet, so because I'm just about to open it. So, okay, I'm back. That was the wife. She wanted to give me a call. But, you know, it's happy wife, happy life. So there we go. All right, so again, it's the LED grow light. Let's see what we have. Anyway, so like I said, my friend said I could use it. It was free, so he also said he wanted to be anonymous. So I appreciate you sending it to me. I will give it a try. Like I said, he said it was just a little bit less wattage than he needed, so he went for a bigger system. So I'm going to give it a try and see what we have. I guess I'm going to read some instructions, some output, all this and that, but this is what it looks like. Just a little square, kind of thin. I don't know. Well, I'm going to give it a try though. And then I'm going to see if I can outfit it to the box, or maybe I might have to make a different box and see what we do with then. But I will attempt to use it. I will let you guys know what it does, if it worked. I will also try to tell you where to pick it up if you'd like to have one for your own. All right, well, like I said, it's just a quick video to throw out there to let you know another one's going to come soon. So thanks for the support. Peace.